Mbule, nice stuff from him. Just so they can get the changes on now, back to 11 men. Apollos will be replacing, is it Van Rooyen? And then Mbule on for Bata. So that changes the dynamic.
You also resort to maybe three-man defense, but also you have Sipho that works very, very hard. He might also still be a red. OJ starting as a right back, coming into the central midfield, central defense.
For South Africa, if they win both, would likely book their place in the finals. Sipho Mbule, need a bit of magic from him now. To Adams to pass on whatever they agree to, the coaches. Mbule, and the flag's up for offside of the Raceland Matthews. Mbule animated Allende to carry in his sock.
For me, it'll be very interesting to see what's on that nose.
Absolutely, we should ask. They've bounced back in the second leg against Sundowns before and won in the nation's capital. Here's Mbule. Mbule, nice stuff from him. Mofokeng. Mbule. He's lost out. Mbule, a little slow in the distribution, gets it back.